information. One of the things I want to do is go back over to the options field and show some things here in the options field. Um, First, you can sort within a pivot table. Note that the sorting function is available here. Okay. Now I've already sorted, but if I want to redo it in a different way, it just brought all of my primary categories up. It resorted everything conversely to what it originally was. So everything is in the reverse of what it was. So real handy dandy feature here and how you want it to be displayed. We kind of went through everything else in the lesson, but one thing we didn't go through in the lesson was the design tab. Okay, so within Excel 2007, we have some styling, automatic styling features. And as you can see going through here, the default's the gray, but we can come through here and modify automatically. I'm not even making a selection. I'm just hovering over the different options and it automatically reselects everything. But when I hit the drop down, I have a myriad of different styles that I can choose from. So I'm just going to select one here to kind of demonstrate the different views that you can get just very quickly within the worksheet itself, just without any effort at all. Yeah, let's choose this one. This is a nice look here. Okay, so now if I come over here to my layout, okay, say I want to insert a blank row in between. Now let's come back over here and play around with what that might look like in the different formatting options that we have. Okay, so that really demonstrates profoundly what you've got when you insert a blank row. So now I can remove it and you see the difference. I actually kind of like the blank row. It sets the data elements apart, the different categories. Now let's play around with what it looks like when we lay it out with our different options. Okay, that was compact. Here's outline. So this is just showing the high level categories. It removed the subset categories within the detail. Now let's take a look at tabular form, and that makes sense. So now we have all of our categories highlighted in the major and minor categories. And back to this. Now here's where you go to remove your grand totals and your subtotals. I'm not going to go through those because those are kind of elementary, if you will, not elementary, but optional, or how you want your data displayed. And then banded rows is an option where you see it automatically gave you the colored rows for your grids for easier view. And then there is the banded columns as well. So you can remove your row headers or your column headers, and it all depends on who you're preparing this for. Everybody is different, and everybody's visual tastes differ from place to place. So at the end of the day, what we demonstrated was the ability to drill down on data, how to sort data, how to format data within pivot tables, how to filter data within pivot tables. Again, I can't stress or reiterate enough how powerful a tool Excel is and how useful it can be for people to gain an inherent knowledge of Excel and use it in their daily lives. It is extremely helpful and beneficial to know and understand excel getting into professional life, but also for personal uses as well. I hope that you have found this tutorial helpful and have a great day.